As the sun rises on Monday morning, you are reviewing your investments. Red numbers, green numbers, the stock market is bouncing all over the place, enough to give anyone anxiety. You begin to wonder if investing may be done in a simpler, less stressful way. You are not alone, though. The same sentiment is shared by many, and that's precisely the topic of discussion today. I'll discuss some of the most important takeaways from Nicolas Bérubé's book From Zero to Millionaire in this video. He explains how to invest in the stock market in a straightforward, stress-free manner. Now let's begin the first lesson. First and foremost, investing doesn't have to be difficult. To keep people confused, Berube contends that the financial industry enjoys overcomplicating issues. The truth is that you can accumulate wealth without getting stuck in the technicalities of investing. How therefore do we maintain simplicity? Index funds are a useful tool for passive investment. With the help of these funds, which follow a market index, you can invest in a variety of equities without having to keep a close eye on the market. It's similar to putting your money on hold. The strategy's beauty: long-term financial growth is achieved while saving time and reducing stress. Envision managing your finances with just an hour or so annually and yet have your money work for you. For instance, Alex is one of my friends. With so many options for investments, he was afraid he might make a mistake. Alex picked an index fund to invest in after reading Berubé's advice. After a year, he not only feels more secure about his financial future but also has more time to enjoy life without having to worry about his finances all the time. And keeping things simple is the first step to stress-free investing. Please remember to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you're prepared to keep moving forward on your path to financial independence. Let's move on to the second crucial lesson, which is about the value of passive investing. Seek the rare pearl is the main concept here. Berube stresses the value of concentrating on high-quality assets as opposed to following every fad or trendy stock. It all comes down to identifying those rare situations that have the potential to yield large profits. So, how do we approach this? Making a list of the criteria for what qualifies a stock as a rare pearl is a useful approach. Seek out businesses with a proven track record of success, excellent management, and sound fundamentals. It makes it easier for you to focus and make investments in the things that are really important. In what ways does this method assist? You may reduce stress and make better investing decisions by prioritizing quality over quantity. This strategy raises your chances of greater returns while also giving you more confidence. Similar to discovering a jewel amidst a sea of stones. Allow me to introduce you to my friend Sarah. She used to constantly switch stocks because she was afraid of missing out. She decided to take her time and carefully investigate companies after reading Berubé's suggestions. She discovered a tech firm with cutting-edge goods and promising future expansion. After a few years, the value of that rare pearl stock surged tremendously. Sarah is now much more at ease with her investments in addition to having improved her financial situation. Embrace market corrections is the subject of the third important insight. Here, celebrate stock market corrections is the main concept. Although it may seem illogical, Berube advises us to see these market downturns as opportunities rather than obstacles. Rather than becoming anxious, we ought to cherish these instances. How then do we put this to use? It's time to shop till the market corrects itself. Seek for high-quality stocks that have dropped in price. They are more affordable for you to invest in, increasing the likelihood that you will profit later on when the market rises. In what way will this be advantageous? Accepting criticism can result in considerable long-term benefits. Investing regularly during recessions lowers your average purchase price and helps you accumulate a healthy portfolio. It's similar to finding your favorite things at a discount. Let's discuss Jamie, a friend of mine. While most of us were concerned about last year's market slump, Jamie sensed an opening. She made some sound investments in firms whose stock was declining. When those equities recovered a few months later, Jamie's investment had increased dramatically. She now firmly believes that market corrections should be celebrated. Going forward, comprehending investor psychology will be the fourth key lesson. Turn off the TV, and switch off your notifications are the main takeaway from this. Berube stresses the significance of ignoring the outside influences on our judgment, such as financial media and incessant notifications. An abundance of information might cause unneeded stress and rash choices. How then do we put this to use? Reduce the amount of financial news you are exposed to first. As an alternative to letting alerts ruin your day, set aside particular times to check for updates. Rather, concentrate on a few reliable sources and read them. You'll be informed without becoming overwhelmed in this way. What benefit does this offer? You can make better, more educated investing judgments if there is less noise. You can live life to the fullest and follow your passions without having to worry about the market all the time with this targeted strategy. It all comes down to keeping your composure. Let's discuss MIA, my friend. It used to drive her nuts that she would check her investments multiple times a day. Following Berube's guidance, MIA decided to only provide market updates once a week. She now has more time to devote to her interests, and her confidence in making financial decisions has grown. Her portfolio has kept expanding while her stress level has decreased. Setting clear investment goals is the last and most important lesson. Here, setting clear and achievable goals is the main concept. Berube emphasizes how crucial it is to set attainable, quantifiable, and precise goals for yourself when investing. We need to specify what that means for us, rather than making nebulous aspirations like "I want to be rich." How then do we put this to use? Begin by dividing your financial goals into more manageable chunks. For instance, establish a schedule and a monthly savings amount if you wish to invest in real estate. This lessens the intimidating big picture. In what way will this be advantageous? Setting definite objectives makes it simpler to monitor your development and maintain motivation. Additionally, savoring each little victory along the road helps you stay positive and focused. It's similar to ascending a mountain. Every step gets you closer to the summit. Now, let's discuss my pal Kevin. He had always believed that a dream trip was unattainable, even though he wanted one. Following Berube's suggestion, he resolved to save $5,000 within a year. He tracked his progress and divided it into monthly savings. Along the way, he not only felt empowered but also accomplished his goal. He didn't have to worry about money when it came time for vacation. It doesn't have to be difficult to accumulate wealth. These easy-to-implement lessons can help you invest with confidence and without anxiety. Please remember to hit the like and subscribe buttons for more financial advice if you liked and found this video useful.